This is a small travel rod. Check out the size of this thing right here. This is how I got it in. So you can see the difference between a normal like cast spinning rod right here. See how long that is? And you want to get a smaller package of a rod, you can stick it down. It came in this nice rod tube right here too. All packed very small and easy. It's a 4-piece rod with extra tips. You get 2 tips with it. Check out how flexible those tips are right there. And this rod right here is made either for freshwater or saltwater, so you could use it in either one. And I've got mine in more of a spinning, but I think you could probably put a bait caster on there if you really wanted to. I'll show you the size I got mine in. I got it in a fast action. It's 10 to 20 pound lure. Weight can be up to 3/8 to 1 ounce, and the power is medium heavy. So I went with a little heavier rod and not so light of one, so that way it's kind of like a do-all type one. And I really like KastKing's rods. These are so nice, everybody. I've been very impressed with their rods. And there's all the different sizings on there, everything from 6-foot medium fast to 7'6" fast action. So you got a wide range of sizes that you can go right here. But yeah, let me go ahead, take my reel off, transfer it all over here, and let's go down here and let's do some fishing. Okay, let's give the Spartacus 7-footer. Look how long I got this rod, everybody. So you see how flexible that tip is on this thing? I've got it rigged up in Wacky Rig, and I've got the Zephyr spinning reel on it. Oh wow, that casts far. That already cast. Nice. Let's see how this does. This is going to be a great combo for me for traveling if I just want to do something quick, because how small you can break this down. You can really break this rod down very small, so it makes it a lot easier to go with. And you see, I've got that Wacky Rig up right here. You guys see how I got the band on there? I've got those O-rings on there on this one. Yeah, I don't see any issues with this rod at all. This is a great rod. Has a nice kind of reaction feel to it. Let's see how far we can cast down through there. That's maybe 30 yards. Yeah, everybody, this little Spartacus rod, I think this is a great option for anyone that's just looking for a good quality travel rod that, you know what, won't break the bank, but does everything that it claims to be doing. That's for dang sure. This is nice. Oh, I thought I had a fish there for a minute, but I think I was on a rock. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Spartacus Passage, 4-piece rod. See you on the next video.